Hello guys, I am going to show you the tutorial for this beautiful coaster. You can also use it as a wall hanging showpiece. So let us begin the tutorial. The materials required are steel plate, hot glue gun, spray paint and scissors. Take a steel plate. Take a circular bowl or something and place it on the plate. Now apply the hot glue with the glue gun on the boundaries. Now fill the center part with some straight random lines. Let it dry for some time. Now scratch it with a knife and remove this from the plate. Remove some extra part if there. Now keep this on an old newspaper. Shake the spray bottle well and now start spraying the paint. Paint from the other side too. The coaster is ready. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.